The truth is, we're sitting at Walmart right now in front of some great value for you. And, is this Nicole? No, this is Jordan. Oh. And, yeah, I guess you're blind and deaf now because you didn't hear us saying your name numerous times. And I find it really funny
But the windows are up.
I know. And then I find it really funny how you were like, well, that was rude. And your mom's like, well, even if I know. Oh, look, 100 calories.
Truth is,
Yeah.
I just met you tonight.
Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy.
Okay.
So I have Alzheimer's.
Truth is, there was a car outside of the cheesecake and it didn't have a bumper. And John goes, hey, nice bumper.
That's even that funny.
It was freaking hilarious.
Hey, look, here's some zebra cakes. Oh, I dropped them.
You should buy them for him.
You want some zebra cakes? Okay.
Oh my god.
He doesn't work at a zoo. He works on a farm.
Duh.
What does he want?
What kind of cakes would you like? There's a wide variety.
It's not like he's gonna answer you back.
Is he in? Okay, well, this is it now, but, yeah, you're texting right now, so I better reply to your text. See ya.